A week after returning from a memorable trip to Hawaii, I decided it was time to embark on a new adventure, transforming my loyal Ford Ranger. This truck has been with me for over a decade, and while it's always been reliable, its age and wear were becoming impossible to ignore. I originally bought it from a man battling alcoholism, and while it came with its fair share of flaws, it has served as a steadfast companion through countless road trips, work projects, and daily drives. After 10 years together, it felt like the perfect time to give it a well-deserved makeover.